Congratulations on procuring the Electra Prime. The Electra Prime is a versatile, robust and highly stable auto crossover, constant current and constant voltage DC power supply designed and manufactured particularly for vertical and horizontal electrophoresis assays and electroplotting. Some points about the power supply to keep in mind. The power supply is made in India and manufactured from high-quality parts, and it is specifically designed to suit Indian laboratory conditions. You can carry out your electrophoresis as per your requirements within the full specified range of 300 volts and 400 milliamps. The dual displays help to monitor the status of the voltage and the current simultaneously, and the LEDs indicate the mode of operation. It is possible to change the voltage or current setting during the experiment without stopping the run. In the event of a power interruption and subsequent restoration, the power supply will come on and continue operations with the settings remaining unchanged. The timer is versatile and allows different ranges of countdown from 1 milliseconds to 999 hours. This power supply will give you many years of trouble-free use. In any event that there's a problem, our long warranty of 3 years covers all manufacturing defects. Some precautions before you use the power supply. Keep the power supply dry at all times. Avoid utilizing very high current at very low voltage settings. Please read the manual carefully before using the power supply. The brand name of this power supply is TechnoSource, manufactured by TechnoSource. The model is Electra Prime. The maximum voltage and maximum current are mentioned here. We will show how to use the power supply in the constant voltage mode. While the power supply is still off, turn the voltage knob fully counterclockwise and the current knob fully clockwise. If the power supply has a timer, make sure that the timer is off. Connect the electrophoresis apparatus to the output terminals, taking care of polarity. Switch on the power supply and switch the pause button to resume or run. Slowly turn the voltage knob clockwise till the desired voltage value is reached. The red LED marked CV will light up, indicating that the power supply is operating at the CV mode. If the LED marked CC, constant current, lights up, it indicates that the power supply has switched over to the CC mode. This will occur when the resistance drops and the current flowing through the apparatus rises to reach the maximum or the set value. To get back into the CV mode, either increase the set current value by turning the current knob clockwise or by increasing the resistance of the external circuit, that is, by using buffer with lower salt concentration. We will now show you how to use the power supply in the constant current mode. While the power supply is still off, turn the current knob fully counterclockwise and the voltage knob fully clockwise. If the power supply has a timer, make sure that the timer is off. Connect the electrophoresis apparatus to the output terminals, taking care of polarity. Switch on the power supply and switch the pause button to resume or run. Slowly turn the current knob clockwise till the desired milliamp value is reached. The red LED marked CC will light up, indicating that the power supply is operating in the CC mode. If the LED marked CV, constant voltage, lights up, it indicates that the power supply has switched over to the CV mode. This will occur when the resistance rises and the voltage across the terminals rises in tandem to reach the maximum or the set value. To go back into the CC mode, either increase the set voltage value by turning the knob clockwise or decrease the resistance of the external circuit, that is, by using buffer with lower salt concentration. Now, we will show you how to set the time range and the countdown time on the timer. Switch on the power supply and switch the pause button to resume or run. switch on the timer on-off switch. On a new power supply, the timer range is preset to 9 hours 59 minutes. The time desired can be set by pressing the Set, Program, LCK and RST keys. First press the Set key, then use the Program button to change the first digit, the LCK button to change the second digit, and the RST button to change the third digit. Once the desired time is selected, press Set. Followed by this, press the Reset button. The countdown time display will now depict the countdown time. Note, the LED for the range selected will start blinking. If the power supply is paused, the lights will remain on continuously. We sincerely hope that you gain as much satisfaction in using this power supply as we achieved in designing and manufacturing it. Thank you.